Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Those who are new to my channel, my name is Elmira. If you want to stay tuned on this video, then please do, and if you guys really did like this video, give this a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos. So for this video, I'm going to be doing a review purpose slash like testing out this hair product from Nutri Professionals. It's a thermal multi-control mask. It's for anti-freeze, hydration, and it has a marine collagen, almond oil inside. So thank you for Nutri Professionals sending me this hair mask product, and I'm just gonna be trying it out to see if it is really good for my hair, because I don't know if you guys know, but my hair right now, it's really frizzy, and whenever I put some products or whenever I dry my hair, it goes well for like 2 minutes, and after it just becomes like this. And usually I would need to put like oils, argan oils, all that to make it look good. So now I'm just gonna try this product. I think I'm going to tell you guys what you need to do to use this. So the first thing you need to do is that you need to wash your hair with any shampoo, with any residue shampoo, pH 9 or more. I will link down what shampoos you need to be using, so that you can be able to use this product. And then you need to, I already washed my hair. Then you need to dry your hair 100%. I already dried it, blow dried it, and this is how it looks like right now. What I need to be doing is that I need to section the hair into 6 parts and apply the products in all hair. But yeah, I'm gonna try. Let's see. I'm not sure how this is gonna work, but I'm gonna try, because I don't have that much like hairband to put in 6. I'm not sure. You know what? I'm just gonna tie it in two parts, because it's not gonna work like this. Just gonna do it like a big. God. Struggle having a thick frizzy hair. So yeah, I'm just gonna section in 2s. Gonna go like this. Right, so section 2, and then it said that I need to leave the product in I need to leave the product for 30 to 40 minutes in the hair, so I'm gonna apply it right now. It smells like bubblegum. It smells really nice. So yeah, I'm gonna put it in, and then like just gonna put it right here. Okay, and on the other side as well. Just gonna do it here. Guess that's how it works. Okay. Just gonna take it out for a bit and then do the rest. and then it's said to leave it for half an hour. I'm just gonna wait half an hour. I think the product went in my eye. Ah, that stings. Yeah, I think it kind of calmed it down, but yeah. Well, there you go. If you guys can see the back as well. Right. So next. So after when you leave the product for 30 to 40 minutes in the hair, then you rinse the hair and removing 80% of the product. So I'm gonna do right, my loves. Right now I've just rinsed my hair. I just removed 80% of the product, and now I have to blow dry my hair with a round brush. I don't have a round brush, so I'm just gonna use a normal brush. I don't know if it's gonna have the same effect, but let's just see really. section the hair into parts. Flat iron the hair in thin and linear strands about 10 to 15 times each strand. I'm gonna section the hair into parts, but I'm gonna do in 2 pieces. So yeah, I'm just gonna do like that. Okay. Right. So let's do this. God, this is such a struggle. Right, so I'm just gonna straighten my hair. Ten to 15 times 2, 3. 5. Oh my eye. So I'm gonna have to do this for like 10 to 15 times straight on all my hair. Okay. Guys, this is such a struggle straightening hair. So I just went and straightened my hair. It's not fully straightened. I mean, I have left a little bit curls, but that's how I like to straighten my hair, and I think it looks really good. Like, my hair feels really soft. It doesn't feel really frizzy as well. I definitely recommend you guys to use this product. I will link down below the product, the address, website for it, and I will link down any of the other products that you need to use, like the shampoos as well. Right, and now the next thing I need to do for this hair, so it says after you straighten your hair, it's ready. You have a deep, hydrated and a smooth hair for up to 4 weeks. So let's see after 4 weeks. But after I straighten my hair, I'm just gonna use a little bit of argan oil. I always use this. It's just, it makes my hair a little bit more healthy as well. Right, just there. That's okay. I think that is brilliant. Oh wow, I love it. Oh my god. Oh my, I hope it stays this way. I will let you guys know after 4 weeks if it stays like this. So let's see. And my hair smells so good. So yeah guys, that's it. That's the end of this video. I hope you like this. If you want to buy the product, like I said, I'm gonna link it down below. If you guys really did enjoy this, give us a thumbs up. If you want to stay around on my channel, subscribe for more videos. And yeah, oh yeah, by the way guys, for my next video I'm going to do my 600 subscribers shout out. So if you guys want a shout out right now, just comment down below my video, this one right now, and I will screenshot it and I will do a shout out. Just make sure you are subscribed to my channel so I can do a shout out. So yeah guys, thank you, and I hope you guys have a lovely day or night or whatever. So see you guys next time. Bye.